Zulu from AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy. We aim to open up access to software engineering, electronics, prototyping, entrepreneurship, basically robotics to children as well as youths, especially within the province of KwaZulu-Natal. So today, being a part of the SAGE Teen Entrepreneur of the Year competition 2022 was a privilege for us to participate, to add value to the competition and to the initiative. We started the journey last year when one of our junior engineers won the competition in 2021, Alex Dodd, and walked away with 20,000 rands. And from there on, we realized the impact as well as the importance of such an initiative as run and conducted by SAGE South Africa. This year, of course, looking at the direction that the country as well as the economy is taking, the interest as well as intention from SAGE South Africa was to say, how do we ensure that we speak to the aspect of ICT, we speak to the aspect of innovation, artificial intelligence, robotics, to our cohort. So I think that is a very important step towards the shift that we need as various organizations, as AlgoAtWork, as SAGE, as MTN, and as a country, so that we can ensure that we can open up more opportunities, so that we can also ensure that we develop the skills that are relevant to the demands of the economy, that are relevant to the demands of the industry. What we had today was to say, let us introduce young people to robotics as well as AI, and hence that robotics and AI fundamentals, masterclass that was delivered by Tlopo, which was amazing. The kids and the teens loved the session. They participated, they interacted. They had a lot of views and opinions, and questions as well about AI and its importance and how AI can add value to their businesses, to their concepts, to their prototypes. So it was really an interesting session. We also had Makerspace Foundation, which was also introducing as well the teenagers and the participants to the world of 3D printing and what 3D printing is about and how it can democratize manufacturing essentially and disrupt the world of manufacturing.
My name is Tlopo from AlgoAtWork Robotics Academy. Today the session was about introducing the teen entrepreneurs to the concepts of AI. They've heard the words, they've had the possibilities. They just did not know where would they start in implementing AI, and they had a lot of questions. There was a lot of curiosity, and therefore that is what it was all about. I love the fact that they have tried to look for this information. They have read papers, they have tried to do projects on it. They just needed a little bit of direction, and I believe that after what we did today, they will have a better opportunity to sort of go and really look at what they've been trying to learn, and it will start making sense to them. So that's what we did today.